Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to change start location in Google Maps, and now let's dive right in. Now to change start location in Google Maps, first open up your Google Maps application on your phone. And after opening your Google Maps application, guys, let's search for a destination to here where we want to head. And I'll be just going near a destination to me. And after searching for a destination, guys, you can see there is the direction button available for us at the bottom right corner of this interface. When this appears, tap on the directions button over here, and then your start location and your destination will be shown to us at the top of the screen. Now in order to change the starting location in Google Maps, at the top of the screen you can see there is your location option available for us. Tap on your location, and either you can type in the location from where you want to start, or you can just choose on the map. I'll be just tapping on the choose on map, and you can see, guys, the red pin is available for us from where we will be able to change our starting destination. So let's start from over here, where it is way distant from the starting position. And after choosing your location over here at the top right corner of the screen, you can see the OK button available for us. Tap on the OK button at the top right corner of the screen, and then your route will be shown to you like this by changing your start location over here. And let's do that another time. Let's close this, and let's close this as well. Let's search for another destination over here, and after searching for a destination like this, you can see again the direction button over here. Tap on directions, and the direction is shown to us. Now in order to change the starting location, tap on the your location button at the top of the screen, and again either you can type or choose on the map. Whichever way you want to do it, guys. And I'll be just pointing over here and tapping on the OK button at the top right, and you can see, guys, our start location and our end location has been changed. And there, guys, this is how to change start location on Google Maps. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.